Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to our channel. If you're in the graphic design world, you know that having the right laptop can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best laptops for graphic design in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these picks will help elevate your creative game. Let's jump right in. 5. Asus ZenBook Pro 14 Duo. The Asus ZenBook Pro 14 Duo is an innovative powerhouse designed for creative professionals, particularly those in graphic design, video editing, and other visually intensive fields. This laptop features a unique dual-screen setup, with a stunning 14-inch 4K OLED main display that delivers vibrant colors and exceptional contrast, ensuring that your designs come to life with stunning clarity. The secondary ScreenPad Plus, located just above the keyboard, offers additional real estate for multitasking, allowing you to manage tools, palettes, and previews effortlessly. This dual-screen functionality is especially beneficial for graphic designers who need to juggle multiple applications or windows simultaneously. Under the hood, the ZenBook Pro 14 Duo is powered by up to an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card. You can expect seamless performance even when working on large files or running multiple programs at once. The laptop also comes equipped with a full-size HDMI port, Thunderbolt 4, and USB-A ports, ensuring compatibility with a variety of peripherals and external displays. Ergonomically designed, the ZenBook Pro 14 Duo features a comfortable keyboard with good travel, making long design sessions less taxing. Additionally, the laptop's sleek aluminum chassis not only looks stunning, but is also lightweight, making it easy to carry around for on-the-go professionals. The battery life is commendable for a device of this caliber, allowing you to work uninterrupted for several hours. 4. Dell XPS 15. The Dell XPS 15 is a top-tier laptop that combines stunning design, powerful performance, and exceptional display quality, making it an ideal choice for graphic designers and creative professionals. Featuring a sleek aluminum chassis and carbon fiber palm rest, the XPS 15 not only looks sophisticated but also offers a premium feel. At the heart of this laptop is a gorgeous 15.6-inch Infinity Edge display, which is available in both FHD Plus and 4K UHD resolutions. The 4K option, in particular, provides remarkable color accuracy and vibrant visuals, ensuring that every detail of your designs is rendered with precision. Powered by the latest Intel Core processors, up to the i9 variant, and equipped with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti graphics, the XPS 15 can handle demanding software like Adobe Creative Cloud, AutoCAD, and more with ease. This powerful combination allows for smooth multitasking and efficient rendering, essential for graphic design tasks that require high performance. With up to 64 GB of RAM and 2 TB of fast SSD storage, the XPS 15 offers plenty of memory and space for large projects, ensuring that you can work without any slowdowns. Additionally, the laptop's excellent battery life allows you to work for hours without needing to recharge, making it perfect for those who need to be mobile. The XPS 15 also features an array of ports, including Thunderbolt 3, USB-C. 3. Apple MacBook Pro 16. The Apple MacBook Pro 16 is a powerhouse designed for professionals who demand high performance and exceptional quality, making it a top choice for graphic designers and creative artists in 2025. At the heart of the MacBook Pro is Apple's M2 Pro or M2 Max chip, delivering extraordinary processing power and graphics capabilities. This ensures smooth performance for resource-intensive applications like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Final Cut Pro, allowing you to tackle large projects with ease. The laptop features a stunning 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, boasting a resolution of 3456 x 2234 pixels and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. This display offers remarkable color accuracy and contrast, making it ideal for design work where visual detail is paramount. The P3 wide color gamut ensures that your designs are vibrant and true to life, providing a rich canvas for your creativity. With up to 96 GB of unified memory and 8 TB of fast SSD storage, the MacBook Pro 16 provides ample space and speed for multitasking and storing large files. This allows designers to run multiple applications simultaneously without experiencing any lag, enhancing workflow efficiency. The laptop's advanced thermal management system keeps it cool during demanding tasks, ensuring sustained performance even under heavy loads. The keyboard is designed for comfort and responsiveness, featuring a spacious layout that makes typing long documents or coding a breeze. Additionally, the MacBook Pro includes a range of ports, including HDMI, Thunderbolt 4, and an SD card slot, providing versatility for connecting external displays and peripherals. Battery life is another highlight, offering up to 21 hours of usage on a single charge, making it perfect for working on the go. 2. Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition. The Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition is a cutting-edge laptop designed specifically for creatives who demand both power and portability. Renowned for its sleek, minimalist design, this laptop combines a robust build with a stunning display, making it an excellent choice for graphic designers, video editors, and 3D artists. The Blade 15 Studio Edition features a vibrant 15.6-inch 4K OLED touchscreen, which provides unparalleled color accuracy and deep blacks, ensuring that your visuals are rendered with exceptional detail. This high-resolution display is perfect for tasks that require precision, such as photo editing and graphic design. Under the hood, the Razer Blade 15 is equipped with powerful hardware, including the latest Intel Core i7 or i9 processors, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 or 4090 GPUs. This combination delivers impressive performance, allowing you to handle demanding creative software like Adobe Creative Suite, Autodesk, and Blender with ease. With up to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of fast SSD storage, you'll have plenty of memory and space for multitasking and storing large files, ensuring a smooth workflow without any slowdowns. The laptop's design isn't just about looks, it also offers a variety of connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4, 1. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 10 is a remarkable laptop tailored for professionals who seek a balance of power, portability, and durability. Known for its legendary keyboard and robust design, the X1 Carbon has long been a favorite among business users and creatives alike. This latest generation features a sleek, lightweight chassis made from carbon fiber and aluminum, making it incredibly portable without sacrificing strength. The 14-inch display is available in various configurations, including a stunning 4K UHD option, offering vibrant colors and sharp details that are essential for graphic design and multimedia work. The anti-glare screen also helps reduce eye strain, making it suitable for extended hours of use. Under the hood, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 10 is powered by up to Intel's latest 13th Gen Core processors, ensuring fast and efficient performance for demanding applications. Coupled with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and fast SSD storage options. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best laptops for graphic design in 2025. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, so you can't go wrong with any choice. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!